Bicol University or BU, the premier university in the Bicol region, Philippines, is a SUC Level 4 institution by Department of Budget and Management or DBM standards, established on June 21, 1969 following the passage of Republic Act 5521. It has 17 colleges spread across its 7 campuses in the provinces of Albay and Sorsogon, with the College of Law and the College of Medicine as its latest addition. And recently, the Doctor of Dental Medicine and Doctor of Veterinary Medicine. As of latest count, Bicol University has 82 AACOP accredited academic programs, with 3 programs accredited at Level 4. It is also a Level 3 accredited institution whose reputation as the premier university in the Bicol region is rooted in its consistent top-level performance in various licensure examinations, becoming recognized as top-performing school in accountancy, social work, midwifery, nursing, education, engineering. BU has been given its seal of excellence as CHED-recognized Center of Excellence in Teacher Education, Center of Development in Nursing Education, Center of Development in Fisheries Education, and Center for Higher Education Research. Its commitment toward national thrust and directions and in meeting the needs of its community beyond the university borders is reflected in its programs and projects as base agency for Bicol Consortium for Health Research and Development or BCHRD and base agency for Bicol Consortium for Agriculture, Aquatic and Natural Resource Research and Development or BCARD. Over the years, it has earned its place as one of the 22 leading state universities in the Philippines. Bicol University has also been recently rated as 3-star institution by the Quacquarelli-Simmons or QS Intelligence Unit, the independent compiler of QS World University Rankings. Bicol University has expanded its linkages to Europe and Southeast Asian universities. This is Bicol University. Bicol University or BU, the premier university in the Bicol region, Philippines, is a SUC Level 4 institution by Department of Budget and Management or DBM standards, established on June 21, 1969 following the passage of Republic Act 5521. It has 17 colleges spread across its 7 campuses in the provinces of Albay and Sorsogon, with the College of Law and the College of Medicine as its latest addition. And recently, the Doctor of Dental Medicine and Doctor of Veterinary Medicine. As of latest count, Bicol University has 82 AACOP accredited academic programs, with 3 programs accredited at Level 4. It is also a Level 3 accredited institution whose reputation as the premier university in the Bicol region is rooted in its consistent top-level performance in various licensure examinations, becoming recognized as top performing school in accountancy, social work, midwifery, nursing, education, engineering. BU has been given its seal of excellence as CHED-recognized Center of Excellence in Teacher Education, Center of Development in Nursing Education, Center of Development in Fisheries Education, and Center for Higher Education Research. Its commitment toward national thrust and directions and in meeting the needs of its community beyond the university borders is reflected in its programs and projects as base agency for BICO Consortium for Health Research and Development, or BCHRD, and base agency for BICO Consortium for Agriculture, Aquatic, and Natural Resource Research and Development, or BICARD. Over the years, it has earned its place as one of the 22 leading state universities in the Philippines. Bicol University has also been recently rated as a 3-star institution by the Quacquarelli-Simmons or QS Intelligence Unit, the independent compiler of QS World University Rankings. Bicol University has expanded its linkages to Europe and Southeast Asian universities. This is Bicol University. Bicol University, or BU, the premier university in the Bicol region, Philippines, is a SUC Level 4 institution by Department of Budget and Management, or DBM standards, established on June 21, 1969, following the passage of Republic Act 5521. It has 17 colleges spread across its 7 campuses in the provinces of Albay and Sorsogon, with the College of Law and the College of Medicine as its latest addition. And recently, the Doctor of Dental Medicine and Doctor of Veterinary Medicine. As of latest count, Bicol University has 82 AACOP accredited academic programs, with 3 programs accredited at Level 4. It is also a Level 3 accredited institution whose reputation as the premier university in the Bicol region is rooted in its consistent top-level performance in various licensure examinations, becoming recognized as top-performing school in accountancy, social work, midwifery, nursing, education, engineering. BU has been given its seal of excellence as CHED-recognized Center of Excellence in Teacher Education, Center of Development in Nursing Education, Center of Development in Fisheries Education, and Center for Higher Education Research. Its commitment toward national thrust and directions and in meeting the needs of its community beyond the university borders is reflected in its programs and projects as base agency for BICO Consortium for Health Research and Development, or BCHRD, and base agency for BICO Consortium for Agriculture, Aquatic, and Natural Resource Research and Development, or BICARD. Over the years, it has earned its place as one of the 22 leading state universities in the Philippines. Bicol University has also been recently rated as a 3-star institution by the Quacquarelli-Simmons or QS Intelligence Unit, the independent compiler of QS World University Rankings. Bicol University has expanded its linkages to Europe and Southeast Asian universities. This is Bicol University. Bicol University or BU, the premier university in the Bicol region, Philippines, is a SUP Level 4 institution by Department of Budget and Management or DBM standards, established on June 21, 1969 following the passage of Republic Act 5521. It has 17 colleges spread across its 7 campuses in the provinces of Albay and Sorsogon, with the College of Law and the College of Medicine as its latest addition. And recently, the Doctor of Dental Medicine and Doctor of Veterinary Medicine. As of latest count, Bicol University has 82 AACUP accredited academic programs, with 3 programs accredited at Level 4. It is also a Level 3 accredited institution whose reputation as the premier university in the Bicol region is rooted in its consistent top-level performance in various licensure examinations, becoming recognized as top-performing school in accountancy, social work, midwifery, nursing, education, engineering. BU has been given its seal of excellence as CHED-recognized Center of Excellence in Teacher Education, Center of Development in Nursing Education, Center of Development in Fisheries Education, and Center for Higher Education Research. Its commitment toward national thrust and directions and in meeting the needs of its community beyond the university borders is reflected in its programs and projects as base agency for Bicol Consortium for Health Research and Development or BCHRD and base agency for Bicol Consortium for Agriculture, Aquatic and Natural Resource Research and Development or BCARD. Over the years, it has earned its place as one of the 22 leading state universities in the Philippines. Bicol University has also been recently rated as a 3-star institution by the Quacquarelli-Simmons or QS Intelligence Unit, the independent compiler of QS World University Rankings. Bicol University has expanded its linkages to Europe and Southeast Asian universities. This is Bicol University. Bicol University or BU, The premier university in the Bicol region, Philippines, is a SUP Level 4 institution by Department of Budget and Management or DBM standards, established on June 21, 1969 following the passage of Republic Act 5521. It has 17 colleges spread across its 7 campuses in the provinces of Albay and Sorsogon, with the College of Law and the College of Medicine as its latest addition. And recently, the Doctor of Dental Medicine and Doctor of Veterinary Medicine. As of latest count, Bicol University has 82 AACUP accredited academic programs with 3 programs accredited at Level 4. It is also a Level 3 accredited institution whose reputation as the premier university in the Bicol region is rooted in its consistent top-level performance in various licensure examinations, becoming recognized as top-performing school in accountancy, social work, midwifery, nursing, education, engineering. BU has been given its seal of excellence as CHED-recognized Center of Excellence in Teacher Education, Center of Development in Nursing Education, Center of Development in Fisheries Education, and Center for Higher Education Research. Its commitment toward national thrust and directions and in meeting the needs of its community beyond the university borders is reflected in its programs and projects as base agency for Bicol Consortium for Health Research and Development or BCHRD and base agency for Bicol Consortium for Agriculture, Aquatic and Natural Resource Research and Development or BCARD. Over the years, it has earned its place as one of the 22 leading state universities in the Philippines. Bicol University has also been recently rated as 3-star institution by the Quacquarelli-Simmons or QS Intelligence Unit, the independent compiler of QS World University Rankings. Bicol University has expanded its linkages to Europe and Southeast Asian universities. This is Bicol.
Gentlemen, we are gathered here once again to celebrate our successes in this academic year, recognizing the hard work, dedication, and achievements of our learners, faculty members, and the administration itself. Whether you are here as a learner, a proud parent, a dedicated faculty member, or a valued guest, we are delighted to have you all be part of this occasion. Welcome everyone to the 30th recognition ceremony with the theme, Life Champions and Future-Ready Professionals of the 21st Century. The theme speaks volumes about your journey as individuals, proving that learning is dedicated to growing into an individual prepared for life's challenges. In today's journey, I will be your Master of Ceremonies, Andre Ashley Aranya, and yes po, since we are all now ready, ladies and gentlemen, let's proceed with the processional. Leading the processional are the first-year learners. At this point, we have the second year learners of both BUIPED and BUIPESR programs. Approaching the stage now are the completers of the CPE program. Leading the processional at this point are the faculty members of the Institute. The CSE officers, the director, along with the assistant director, the vice president for academic affairs, and vice president for administration and finance, along with the guest speaker, Dr. Sarah Jane B. Labarda. As we begin this meaningful As we begin this meaningful celebration, let us take a moment to give thanks and honor the one who makes all things possible through the doxology, and remain standing as we sing the Philippine National Anthem, to be led by Professor Marklin Tejada. Ladies and gentlemen, the entrance of colors by BU Knights, ROTC unit. You may now be seated. Celebrating recognition allows our learners to feel valued, enabling them to persevere, continually strive for greater heights. And at this juncture, to set the tone and welcome everyone to this meaningful celebration, I would like to call on the Director of the Bicol University Institute of Physical Education, Sports and Recreation. Let's give her a round of applause, please. Dr. Karina L. Sales for her welcome address.
Distinguished guest, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin Nebras III, President of Bicol University, represented by the Vice President for Administration and Finance, Sir Cyrus Barameda, our Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Maria Juliet Bores, Dr. Sarah Jane Labarda, our guest speaker for today's special occasion, respected faculty members, dedicated staff, beloved parents and guardians, fellow educators, and most especially, our honored students, good afternoon and a very welcome to all of you. Today, we gather for a truly significant celebratory occasion, the BUIPESR recognition ceremony, held under the theme, Life Champions and Future-Ready Professionals of the 21st Century. This is not merely a program to acknowledge academic excellence. It is a meaningful celebration of character, growth, perseverance, and potential. We are here to recognize not just those who have achieved high grades, but those who have exemplified grit in the face of hardship, passion in the pursuit of learning, and vision in crafting a better future, not just for themselves, but for their communities and the world. In this 21st century, where an age defined by rapid technological advancement, global interconnectivity, and unprecedented change, the challenges are many. But so are the opportunities. The future belongs not only to those who master knowledge, but to those who embody adaptability, emotional intelligence, ethical leadership, and purpose-driven innovation. These are the hallmarks of a future-ready professional. And yet, before one can lead, serve, or innovate, one must first conquer the self, overcome doubts, rise above failures, and find strength and in uncertainty. That is what we mean when we call our honorees life champions from the home of champions. You are champions, not because life has been easy, but because you have chosen courage over comfort, growth over complacency, and action over excuses. Each of you has shown that you are not defined by circumstance, but character. To our parents and guardians, will you please stand? To our parents and guardians, will you please give them a big hand of applause? Thank you. You may sit down. But of course, to all the teachers and mentors of IPSR, please stand to be acknowledged. Students, this is the time wherein you can clap your hands because you wanted to show your gratitude to this lovely faculty. Thank you, ma'am. Your guidance to our teachers has not only illuminated minds, but inspired the hearts of our IPSR students. And of course, to our students and honorees, today is your day. Take this moment in, reflect on how far you've come, and remember, this is only the beginning. As we recognize your achievements today, we also look ahead with hope, with pride, and with confidence. We believe in your capacity not only to thrive in this ever-evolving world, but to shape it. You are the leaders, professionals, and citizens of tomorrow, empowered, equipped, and ready. On behalf of the BUIPSR family, I extend my heartfelt congratulations and deepest admiration to each one of you. Welcome, and may this recognition ceremony be a celebration not only of accomplishments, but of purpose, passion, and promise of what is yet to come. Thank you, and once again, welcome to the BUIPSR recognition ceremony.
Thank you very much, Dr. Karina L. Sales, for setting the tone in this afternoon's momentous event. And of course, at this juncture, we are honored to hear a message from someone who supports and plays a crucial role in the lives of our learners and faculty members. Folks, let us give her a round of applause. Allow me to welcome Dr. Maria Julieta P. Bores, the Vice President for Academic Affairs.
Our esteemed guest speaker this afternoon, Dr. Sara Labarda. Sabi niya hindi daw siya sanay sa ganito. Dr. Sara Labarda. To our beloved President, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin Dinebres III, who is currently attending an equally important activity in Metro Manila, but is ably represented by our very handsome, very efficient Vice President for Administration and Finance, Sir Cyrus Barameda. Palakpakan ninyo, nagsabi ako gwapo si Sir. And to the mother of the matriarch of the IPSR family, Dr. Karina Sales, the Associate Director, Madam Kate Piquera, Dr. Kate Piquera, to the strong men and women, the individuals that propel excellence and quality in IPSR, the program chairs, and the faculty members. Let's give them a round of applause. Of course, also to the academic support personnel of IPSR, our dear honorees, proud parents, benefactors, guardians, ladies and gentlemen, and everyone in between, good afternoon. Isang mapagpalayang hapon sa inyong lahat. With immense pride, I'd like to start by congratulating you, my dear achievers, for your outstanding achievement. Indeed, you embody Bicol University's enduring legacy, standing as life champions and future-ready professionals poised to shape the 21st century. Your success is a testament to the unending support of those who have guided you, our dear parents, guardians, benefactors, our dear professors, academic staff. Special mention to our registrar and program chairs and college administrators. To them, I also wish to extend my deepest gratitude for nurturing our students' potential and yielding this harvest of excellence. Today's theme, BU Scholars as Life Champions and Future-Ready Professionals of the 21st Century, calls us to reflect on the evolving global landscape. This year, Gartner projects that global IT market will reach around 5.2 trillion, with 90% of organizations adopting cloud-based solution. Demand for experts or expertise in cybersecurity is also expected to surge around 33% by 2030, while the favorite of the season, generative AI skills are seeing an 866% increase in course enrollments as projected or as reported in Coursera's 2025 Job Skills Report. Yet, the World Economic Forum predicts that by 2030, 40% of global workers will require reskilling due to automation. Something to reflect on seriously as we also reflect on this year's theme. As young professionals, you face a dynamic world filled with a lot of challenges. We have fierce job competition, underemployment, job mismatch, digital overload, mental health struggles. Mental health, ang paborito ng ating mga estudyante, di ba? social media pressures, and the rise of artificial intelligence while enhancing workplace productivity and effectivity adds to these complexities. There is a genuine concern that over-reliance to this tool, artificial intelligence, could erode uniquely human qualities such as creativity, compassion, ethical judgment, integrity. These traits that remain irreplaceable in any kind of profession. So your dual role as life champions and future-ready professionals demands that you rise above these challenges, grounded in Bicol University's four pillars of scholarship, leadership, service, and character. Allow me to share how these pillars can guide you. Scholarship is the foundation of your journey. It fuels lifelong learning, equipping you to adapt in a technology-driven era. As automation reshapes industries, your commitment to continuous learning will ensure you remain relevant and innovative. Leadership. In its truest form, it is the authentic and principled act of inspiring others toward shared or common goals. It goes beyond authority, encompassing the ability to foster collaboration as against breeding divisiveness, empowerment of colleagues in contrast to stifling growth for selfish reasons, inspiring instead of instilling fears to others. As future leaders, you are called to guide with integrity and inclusivity. The third pillar is service that reflects a selfless commitment to uplifting others and fostering sustainable progress. Driven by empathy and responsibility, your actions can transform communities and create lasting impact. The last one that provides the foundation of these three is, of course, I always consider this as the most important, character. Character defines you as principled life champions. It embodies moral and ethical integrity, honesty, and social responsibility, guiding your decisions in both personal and professional spheres. This, I believe, traits which appear to be the most expensive commodities nowadays in all sectors of the society. My dear students, future professionals, in a world shaped by technology, your character will definitely set you apart. Take note of that. Rooted in these pillars, you are uniquely prepared to become leaders, innovators, and stewards of humanity in this transformative era. As life champions, you will not only navigate the complexities of the future, but also transform lives with resilience, compassion, and genuine purpose. Dear scholars, embrace the future with courage, lead with integrity, serve with purpose, and innovate with vision. You are Bicol University's ambassadors of humanity, carrying the proud brand of a true BUenyo. Tatak BUenyo, Tibay BUenyo. Once again, my warmest congratulations on your remarkable achievement, and may you continue to shine brightly. Let's enjoy the rest of this meaningful afternoon. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Dr. Maria Julieta Bibores, our Vice President for Academic Affairs, for the substantial message. Indeed, recognition symbolizes how our learners strive for excellence and how they exert effort to become who they are meant to be. And of course, with the help of the 4 pillars of the university, with an emphasis on the character, that will be possible. Proceeding, this event would never be complete without hearing from someone whose leadership and vision continue to inspire us all. To give us an encouraging message, I would like to introduce to you the SUC President 4 of the Bicol University. We have Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III, but in this afternoon, he will be represented by Mr. Cyrus Berameda, the Vice President for Administration and Finance. Let's give him a round of applause, please.
To our guest speaker, Dr. Sarah Jane Labarda, to Dr. Maria Julieta Bores, the Vice President for Academic Affairs, Director Karina P. Sales, the IPSR Director, distinguished guests, esteemed faculty, proud parents, and most importantly, the Batch 2025 Special Awardees for this year's BUIPSR recognition. Good afternoon. I am happy and grateful because the BUIPSR has consistently grown over the years and have even expanded your reach to the wider communities, offering your expertise in sports, recreation, culture, and the arts. Thank you for the gift of your constant performance, including your consistency in ensuring the quality of your programs. This is precisely why we need to nurture the unwavering dedication, boundless passion, and transformative impact of the educators and future professionals from your campus for Bicol University and in the service of humanity. For today, we honor not just achievement, but transcendence, rising beyond challenges, surpassing expectations, and embracing the ever-evolving journey of teaching and learning. It is a journey that is meant to flow with the tides of time. It is a journey meant to be embraced while allowing ourselves to transcend beyond our mere compulsion towards the grades that we get or the recognition that we think we deserve, whether as students or as leaders. After all, education is not merely the acquisition of knowledge. It is the power to uplift, to inspire, and to change lives. Each educator has transcended limitations, turning obstacles into stepping stones, dreams into realities, and aspirations into action. As you move forward, remember that true transcendence is found in the hearts you touch, the minds you shape, and the legacy of enlightenment you leave behind. Thus, this is not just a celebration of academic achievement. It is a declaration that you are ready as life champions and future-ready professionals in the 21st century. Being a life champion is part of living out the values of our vision, a university for humanity for sustainable societies with the core values of productive scholarship, transformative leadership, collaborative service, and distinctive character. Continue to learn how to collaborate, to think critically, to solve problems creatively, and to embrace lifelong learning. Be adaptable. The world will change and you must evolve with it. Be collaborative. Success is not a solo endeavor. The best breakthroughs come from working together as future professionals. Be innovative. The world needs fresh ideas, bold action, and creative minds like yours who are ready to think outside and behind the usual box and patterns. Be resilient. Life will challenge you, but you are equipped to rise above every obstacle and help your future clients. To our faculty, students, honorees, alumni, and graduates, your dedication to shaping the future stands as a testament to the limitless height education can reach. May you continue to transcend, to transform, and to lead with wisdom, compassion, and unyielding spirit. Congratulations to all the awardees. May your journey be one of continual transcendence and boundless possibilities. Diyos mabalos po.
Thank you very much, Mr. Cyrus Berameda, the Vice President for Administration and Finance. And of course, now that we have heard a message from our Vice President, at this point, we will be joined by Professor Robert John G. Lood, the Gender and Development Coordinator of the Institute, who will introduce our guest speaker. Sir?
Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the 30th recognition ceremony of the Bicol University Institute of Physical Education, Sports and Recreation, a celebration of academic excellence, unwavering dedication, and transformative leadership. Today, as we honor the theme, Life Champions and Future-Ready Professionals of the 21st Century, it is only fitting that we also welcome a guest speaker who truly embodies these ideals. A woman of purpose, resilience, and visionary impact. Our guest speaker is not only an accomplished educator and physical education specialist, but also a champion of gender equality, a committed community leader, and a driving force of inclusive development. She holds a Doctor of Philosophy in Education, specializing in physical education and sports from Adamson University, under the prestigious Human Resource Development Program Scholarship of Bicol University. She also holds a Master of Arts in Physical Education and a bachelor's degree in secondary education, major in MAPE, both from Bicol University. Her leadership and service span multiple sectors, from being the college sports coordinator and cultural program coordinator of Bicol University Tabaco, to her work as a GAD consultant and a regional GAD training pool member of NEDA Region 5. She has previously served as a GAD coordinator of our very own BUIPESR, where her commitment to gender-responsive education earned her the Magajan Award for Most Outstanding GAD Coordinator. She is also a multi-awarded educator, having been recognized as Most Outstanding Faculty in Teaching Effectiveness for 3 consecutive years, and as the Most Outstanding and Innovative Physical Education Instructor of the year 2021 by the International Association of Physical Education and Sports. A published international researcher, she has contributed scholarly work in the fields of sports leadership and inclusive education. And she is also a resource speaker and trusted speaker in numerous GAD training sessions, workshops, and capacity building programs. Beyond her impressive credentials, she remains deeply rooted in community service, whereas a former SK chairperson, a peer educator, or a passionate advocate for youth and women's empowerment. It is truly an honor to welcome someone who exemplifies the very qualities we celebrate today. A life champion, a change maker, and a future-ready leader. Let us give a warm round of applause to our esteemed guest speaker, Dr. Sarah Jane Balyaran Labarda.
Hello. To the highly esteemed President of Bicol University, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin Nebres III, represented by Mr. Cyrus Barameda, the Vice President for Administration and Finance, to the ever-supportive Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Maria Julieta B. Bores, Madam, to the Acting Dean of the Office of Student Affairs and Services, Professor Jocelyn T. Imperial, to the ever-dynamic and supportive Director of the Institute of Physical Education, Sports, and Recreation, my former Director, Dr. Karina L. Salas, to the Associate Director, Dr. Rachel Kate Piguera, to my former colleagues, the department chairs of the Institute, to the proud parents, outstanding students, awardees and honorees, CPE completers, distinguished guests, dear friends, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant and warm afternoon to everyone. It is truly a great honor to be invited as a guest speaker at this prestigious institution, the Bicol University. Most especially, of course, by the Institute of Physical Education, Sports, and Recreation. This very institute, where I once proudly served, has been a source of inspiration, hope, and countless opportunities that have significantly shaped the person I am today. I am deeply grateful for the meaningful experiences and valuable lessons I gained, particularly in the field of physical education and sports. Thank you very much, BUIPESR. Several months ago, on February 25 to be exact, I was informed that I would be the guest speaker for this much anticipated recognition ceremony. That's BUIPESR. Always ahead in planning and preparation. Diba? Ideally, I should have written my speech months ago, but I held off because I wanted to speak from the heart and offer something truly meaningful, especially to the parents and students who are stars of today's celebration. It wasn't until just yesterday, kahapon lang po, at around 4 in the morning, that I finally found the courage and clarity to start putting my thoughts together. I must admit, it was a moment filled with pressure, but also with purpose. Let me begin by sharing a little about of myself. I am originally from Bugtong, Rapu-Rapu, Albay, a small island barangay. I am the eldest and the only daughter among the 8 siblings. My father is a fisherman, and my mother is a full-time housewife. Growing up in an island or island community, I often heard limiting and stereotypical views about women and education. Many believed that pursuing college was pointless for girls because eventually we would just stay at home, raise children, and manage the household. 17 years ago, I became a victim of that kind of thinking. People doubted that I would ever graduate from college. They assumed I would drop out, get pregnant, and end up like many other young women in our barangay. But I was determined to prove them wrong. With courage and persistence, I pursued my college education. I passed the Bicol University College entrance test and enrolled in Bachelor of Secondary Education program, initially choosing biology as my major. While I always loved biology, I later realized I didn't see myself teaching it for the rest of my life. I wanted a more active lifestyle, even while working. That is why I decided to shift my focus and took the qualifying examination to specialize in MAPE, music, arts, physical education, and health. I passed the exam and chose physical education as my field of specialization. Proud ba kayo? Hindi tayo PE lang. My passion is for movement and skills related to sports and physical wellness became the driving force behind that decision. As someone from a remote island, studying in the city was overwhelming. I didn't know anyone. I had to navigate a big university campus all by myself. It was a completely new environment to me, especially since I was used to simplicity and comfort of being with my family in the island. But I had to stand on my own. As the eldest child, I knew I carried a responsibility. My younger siblings looked up to me. My family depended on me. I held on to the belief that if I failed, I wouldn't be the only one affected. My family's dreams would be at risk too. That thought gave me the strength. My college life was never easy. There were so many firsts during this stage of my journey. It was my first time staying in a boarding house. Yung tipo na habang naghahanap po ako noon ng matitirahan, bitbit ko pa yung malaking maleta habang naglalakad sa buong campus ng Bicol University. Imagine that. Nilibot ko po halos ang buong EMS barrio sa kakahanap ng marerentahan. Bit-bit ko po yung aking luggage. Sabi pa nga ng mga tambay na nadaanan ko, sain ang flight. Sabay tawanan sa akin. It was also my first time using a computer. Dahil maghapot kan sa kuyang edad. Natatakot po ako noon, baka may mapindot akong mali at masira ko pa yung computer sa shop. That's me. And of course, experiences like getting lost in Legazpi City. Dahil mali pala ang nasakyan kong jeep noon. Sabi ko kay Kuya Driver, sa BU po, Kuya. Ayun, ibinaba po ako ni Kuya sa UST. Na-experience ko din ang mag-abang ng mga padalang allowance na hindi dumarating. Padarang dainag aabot. Minsan, maalon sa dagat, wala talagang napapadala ang parents ko. Wala po kaming cellphone that time, and nakikitext lang si mama para ipaalam kung may padala na kukunin sa Legazpi Port. Minsan, dahil walang dumating na padala, mapipilitan po ako noon na maglakad pauwi ng boarding house sa EMS. Dahil wala nang may pamasahe. Kagaya ng araw-araw na pagpasok ko sa school, nilalakad ko lang ang gate 1 to gate 4 sa Kaang Daraga Campus. At dahil hindi po ako pinanganak ng mayaman, kailangan kong magtiis kapag makapagtapos lamang po. Hinahati ko po sa 4 ang pansit canton para sa agahan, tanghalian, merienda, saka para sa hapunan. Mas lalong naging mahirap nung 2 na kami ng aking kapatid ang nag-aaral sa college. Doon ko din naranasan ang itulog na lamang ang aking gutom dahil naubusan kami ng allowance. Hindi kami makahingi kina mama at papa noon dahil alam namin na hindi maganda ang panahon para pumalaot si papa. Kaya walang-wala din talagang may padala para sa amin. Minsan, magigisa lamang ng sibuyas, maraming sabaw, bawang sibuyas pala. Nilalagyan na natirang bigas, okay na yon sa aming magkapatid. Sabi ko sa sarili ko noon, hindi namin ito dadanasin ulit sa mga susunod. Kaya dinoble ko ang tiyaga at determinasyon para ako ay makapagtapos ng pag-aaral. To cut the story short, I graduated from college in April 2013. I passed the licensure examination for teachers in December of the same year. I applied to the Department of Education, and after going through several steps in the hiring process, I was officially employed in June 2014. I began my teaching journey at Raporapo National High School as a permanent MAPE teacher at the age of 20 and served there for almost 5 years. In 2018, I transferred to Kilikao National High School in Daraga, Albay, as I planned to pursue my master's degree. I took a leap forward in my professional growth by enrolling in the Master of Arts in Physical Education program, right here in the very institution. While pursuing my graduate studies, I gained valuable experiences through various trainings, particularly in leadership and professional development. Then, in July 2019, one of my professors, my mentor actually, the director of BUIPESR, Dr. Karina Sales, invited me to apply for a teaching position at BUIPESR. At first, I was hesitant. I doubted myself and questioned whether I truly had the skills to teach at the college level. I felt nervous and unsure. Naalala ko pa before, palaging response ko dyan kay Madam kapag magtatanong sa akin si Madam. Ano, Sarah? Kaya mo ini? Sisimbagon ko po yan si Madam. Kaya ko po iyan, Madam. Tay tiniwala mo po iyan sa kuya, makakaya ko po iyan. Thank you po, Madam, for always believing in me. At that time, I thought I was applying for a part-time role in the institute. But when the evaluation process started with a written examination, 10 pages ata ito, 10 pages position paper, followed by a panel of interview with the local evaluation committee, then interviews at the office of the vice president, and even the office of the president. I realized this wasn't just a part-time job. I was actually applying for a permanent teaching position. I felt incredibly fortunate and overwhelmed when my alma mater, Bicol University, hired me to teach in the institution. It was truly a great privilege, so much that I felt like I was dreaming. I am and will always be deeply grateful for that opportunity. There's something powerful about being believed in, especially at a time when you're doubting yourself. Still, I couldn't help but feel the pressure, wondering if I could ever measure up to the standards set by my former professors. Years passed, I am proud to say that I made it. I survived, and I grew through the challenges of teaching at the college level. I consider myself even more blessed and privileged to have been encouraged to pursue my doctoral studies. That's why I took a chance and applied to Adamson University, Manila. I passed the entrance examination for the Doctor of Philosophy and Education program with a specialization in physical education and sports. With the endorsement and support of my former director, Ma'am Karina, I was granted the opportunity to study as a scholar under Bicol University's Human Resource Development program. Pursuing my PhD was far from easy. Ibang level talaga ang pressure at stress. Imagine being in a class with students. My classmates are from big universities like UST, PNU, LaSalle, UP, UNEP, PUP, and even some from outside the country. It was intimidating at first. I questioned myself again, and many times. Kaya ko ba kaya ini? But every time I felt overwhelmed, I reminded myself, pinag-aral ako ng Bicol University. May tiwala sila sa akin. So I gave my best. I pushed forward, carrying not just my dreams, but also the pride of the school that believed in me. And by God's grace, I made it. I finished the program, and to my surprise, I even received an award during our graduation last February. It was something I never expected, but it reminded me that hard work, prayer, and believing in yourself, even when it's hard, can truly take you far. Throughout this journey, I faced countless challenges to earn my degree. And yes, tama po yung mga sabi-sabi and sinasabi nila. Gari na sana ako magtarambling. Parang gusto ko na lang magtumbling sa sobrang hirap. My weekly routine was grueling. I teach from Monday to Friday, then hop on a bus Friday night for a 14-hour trip to Manila just to make it to my Saturday class from 8 a.m. until 8 in the evening. After that, I rushed back to Bicol so I could report to work again by Monday. That was my life for 2 years. There were many times I felt like giving up. The exhaustion, the pressure, especially during dissertation writing. It really pushed me to my limits. I learned to function with just 2 hours of sleep. I kept telling myself, kaya ko to, kailangan ko tong tapusin. I'll never forget the BU Olympics. BU Olympics 2024. While we were preparing for the event, I was also finalizing my dissertation paper. I defended my paper right in the middle of the Olympic week. Thankfully, I had amazing colleagues and friends who took charge of the athletes while I was away. Right after the defense, I took the next trip back to Bicol just in time for the closing ceremony. Financially, it wasn't easy either. To be honest, I've already visited China and London. China Bank and London. Yes, I took out loans just to keep going. But with persistence and faith, I managed to survive. At this point in my life, I don't see myself as truly successful yet. What I have done is plant a seed and invest in education. Not just for myself, but also for the whole family. Today, we already have 6 graduates in the family, including 4 professionals, a teacher, and a police officers. And coming from where we started, that is really a huge achievement. I'm not sharing this to boast, but to remind you of this powerful truth. Poverty is not a life sentence. Yes, it makes the road harder. Yes, it tests your strength, but it will never be enough to stop a person who refuses to give up. I've learned through experience that with hard work, perseverance, and faith in your own ability, kahit gaano kahirap, kayang-kaya mo at makakaya mo. Basta may sipag at tiyaga at paniniwala sa sariling kakayanan, walang hadlang na hindi kayang lampasan. To my parents, siblings, and my beloved daughter, thank you for your unwavering love, guidance, and support throughout this journey. To my friends who have always been there, offering help in ways and big, your presence has meant so much. To my colleagues, former colleagues, and to Bicol University, thank you for being part of this chapter in my life. And most especially to my mentors, from elementary all the way to my doctoral degree. Your dedication, patience, and belief in me have shaped the person I am today. I will always carry with me the lessons you've taught and the values you've instilled. I am forever grateful. To the parents who are here today, thank you for standing by your children. Where are the parents? Congratulations. Thank you for your every sacrifice. One day, everything you've done will be returned 100-fold. Saludo po ako sa inyo. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga parents. To the graduates, mabuhay kayong lahat. You made it through. You endured, you triumphed. Sabay-sabay niyo pong banggitin sa sarili ninyo. Lakasan na kaya ko. Be proud. This achievement is yours. Congratulations also to your professors. They've shaped you not just the minds, but also the hearts. Your dedication leaves a lasting impact, not only today, but for generations to come. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga butihing professors. And to anyone who's doubting themselves right now, remember this. Your background doesn't define your future. Again, I repeat. Your background doesn't define your future. What matters most is your courage to keep going. Lastly, always remember, life champions are not born. They are made through sacrifice, resilience, and heart. As future-ready professionals of the 21st century, but how you never forget, your greatest legacy is not just what you achieve, but how you inspire others to rise with you. Keep learning, keep leading, and always carry the spirit of service. The world needs educators like you. Thank you very much, and my warmest congratulations to everyone.
Thank you very much, Dr. Sarah Jane Bilabarda, our guest speaker for this event. And of course, your background does not define who you are, your achievement in the future. And of course, with your story being imparted to all of us here, it will be etched on our minds and will surely be taken as we proceed in encountering and facing all life's challenges. And yes po, at this juncture, we will now be awarding the token and plaque of appreciation to our guest speaker. Once again, we would like to call on Mr. Cyrus Barameda, our VP for Admin and Finance, Dr. Maria Julieta B. Bores, the VPAA, Ma'am Karina L. Sales, Dr. Rachel Kate Peguera, Robert B. Madraso, and of course, James Harold Eslim, as we award the certificate and the plaque to our guest speaker, Dr. Sarah Jane Bilibarda. Palakpakan po muli natin ang ating natatanging bisita. Certificate of recognition is hereby awarded to Sarah Jane Bilabarda, PhD, in recognition and appreciation for her invaluable service rendered as guest speaker during the Bicol University IPSR Recognition 2025 with the theme Life Champions and Future-Ready Professionals of the 21st Century, held on June 9, 2025 at Buseng Gymnasium, Legazpi City. And of course, allow me to read the citation. The plaque of appreciation is hereby given to Sarah Jane B. Labarda, PhD, in grateful acknowledgement of her distinguished and invaluable service rendered as guest speaker of Bicol University IPSR Academic Year 2024-2025, awarded during College Recognition Day with the theme Life Champions and Future-Ready Professionals of the 21st Century, given this day at Buseng Gymnasium, Legazpi City, Albay. Sa muli, maraming salamat, Ma'am Sarah Jane B. Labarda, for imparting your inspirational story with all of us. Of course, we will also be giving the token to our very own VPAA and, of course, the VP for Admin and Finance. So we'll also be having another photo opportunity at this point. So we will be, okay po? Thank you very much once again to all those who took part here at this stage. And yes, before we proceed to the next part of our program, which is the highlight, let us take a short break to enjoy an exceptional performance specially prepared for us. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this intermission number by the BU Albay Magayon Dance Troupe. Palakpakan po natin sila. Thank you very much, BU Albay Magayan Dancer, for your outstanding performance a while ago. Now that we have come to the highlight of our program, the awarding of certificates to the completers of the Certificate in Physical Education program, allow me to call on the reader for this awarding. We have Professor Felipa F. Alokino. And likewise, we will also be requesting again the significant individuals a while ago to hand out the certificate.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am proud to present to you the Certificate in Physical Education.
While we are still waiting, allow me to call on once again our VPAA, Dr. Maria Julieta Bibores, along with Mr. Cyrus Barameda, for the VP for Administration and Finance, together with the Director, Dr. Karina El Salas, and the Program Committee Chair. We have here Dr. Arian May S. Arevalo. Ma'am Felipa.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am proud to present to you the Certificate in Physical Education Course Completers, Batch 2025. Please give them a warm applause. Second semester, school year 2024-2025. Pedrito Tinay Afable Jr. Peter Simon Sarsa Arevalo. RJ Balaquiña Belbes. Melvin Bigcas Bueno. Gino Gando Lacandula. Roel Atutubo Vicente. Sherilyn Rogacion Alvarez. Christy Hope Hernando Orbista. Angelica Loques Llanto. Catherine Bo Paloma.
Once again, congratulations to our completers for the CPE program. At this juncture, we will also be having the awarding of certificate and plaque for outstanding CPE completer. Plaque of recognition is hereby given to Peter Simon S. Arevalo for being the outstanding completer of the Certificate of Physical Education program, achieving a general weighted average of 1.0833. To give us a testimony about the program presented by the Institute, allow me to call on Sir Peter Simon S. Arevalo.
To our distinguished guest, Dr. Baby Boy Benamin Dinebres, SOC President, represented by Mr. Cyrus Barameda, Vice President for Administrations and Finance, Dr. Maria Julieta B. Bores, Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Sarah Jane B. Labarda, our guest speaker, our very own Director, Dr. Karina Sales, and Associate Director, Dr. Rachel Kate P. Piguera, the CPE Program Chair, Dr. Aryan May S. Arevalo, our beloved CPE faculty, the BUIPESR faculty members, all academic achievers, my CPA classmates, and all the proud parents and friends present today. A delightful afternoon to all of you. Before I continue any further, I would like to say that today is my first time giving an important speech in front of such a large crowd. And it is an honor. So until the very end of my speech, please bear with me. Today, I will speak inspiration, motivation, and the journey that has led all my CPA classmates and me to be here today. I am going to be genuinely honest with all of you. When I first enrolled to this program last year, I only had one goal in mind, and that was to acquire the certificate in physical education by the end of this program. Use the certificate to successfully take the licensure exam, and continue to pursue being a teacher in the aspect of physical education. And throughout this entire journey, never once had I even dreamed or aspired that it would be me who would give the testimonial speech. I still haven't quite processed it all yet, but I'm getting there. As you may know, most of my CPA classmates are already teachers, and mostly are coaches who teach PE in their respective schools. Yet, physical education is not their major subjects. But do correct me if I'm wrong. There are 3 of us here who have been patiently waiting to finally acquire the certificate and take the licensure exam for teachers in physical education. If successful, we will become official teachers or coaches who can teach the young, even the old, of how important it is to take care of their physical health. In the entirety of my journey in CPE, I was surrounded by very talented, chillax, and smart classmates who'd always keep the class bustling with laughter. Even when we would share ideas or knowledge of a certain topic, it never got boring. It is truly an honor to have been with such amazing people. Because although they come from different provinces like Masbate, Gubat, and Bulan, Sorsogon, and even from different municipalities here in Albay, they always manage to make great efforts in attending class and fulfilling their responsibility as a CPE students. That is why I will take this opportunity to share with you all how very thankful and privileged we are to all our CPE faculty. Dr. Aryan May Arevalo, Dr. Rachel Kate Piguera, Professor Filipa F. Oliquino, Professor Jess Daniel S. Gonzalez, Professor Hilario Andrio Revilla III, and Ma'am Dr. Karina L. Sales, and Bicol University IPESR. They are the people who've shown and given us knowledge, unwavering support, understanding, patience, and trust throughout our journey of completing our CPE courses. Words alone cannot describe how thankful we are for everything you've done for us. But we are grateful and proud to be a BUIPESR CPE completers. As I near the end of my speech, I would like to congratulate also all the BUIPESR academic achievers and all the proud family and friends who are here today. This may sound cliche to all achievers, but it is true. Life is too short. Do not continue wasting your time on matters that aren't important. Do what makes you happy. Chase your dreams, never give up without trying, and keep on fighting to be the best versions of yourself you never thought you could be. Make your school, the BUIPESR, your parents, and of course, yourself proud. To my CPA classmates, thank you for the love, laughter, and unforgettable moments we've shared. Though we may not always be together, I hope we continue to cherish the friendship we've built and support one another as we grow in our careers as educators. May we use the knowledge and experiences we've gained to inspire and guide our future students. Let's strive to be passionate, dedicated, and outstanding physical education teachers. May God bless us all as we continue to pursue our goals and become the best versions of ourselves. Thank you and mabuhay.
Once again, congratulations to all the CPE completers. And of course, thank you so much, Sir Arevalo, for your message. Now that we have completed the awarding of the completers for the CPA program, we will be proceeding with the awarding of the academic scholars for the Bachelor of Physical Education program. At this point, before anything else, we'd like to request to come on stage our Associate Director, Ma'am Kate Pipiguera, the BIPED Chairperson, Sir Wilvin Mendaza, and for the readers, we will be having, for the first year, we have Professor Jeanette O. Diaz. For the second year, Professor Robert Chan G. Lood, Professor Filipa M. Aluquino for third year, and of course, for the fourth year, Professor Marklen Tejada. I will now be giving the microphone to the readers.
Good afternoon, everyone.
So award the certificates. We also have, of course, on stage the guest speaker, Dr. Sarah Jane B. Labarda, along with the director, Dr. Karina L. Sales, and once again, the associate director, Dr. Rachel K. Pipiguera, together with the BIPED chairperson, Sir Wilvin M. Mendaza. For the reader, we have, for the first year, Professor Jeanette O. Diaz.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today, we'll give honor to our students who have toiled in the previous academic year. This is the time when they will reap the product of their hard work. Please come up on the stage as your name is called. The award is for the first year Bachelor of Physical Education. Abayon J. Hans Yu, Dean's Lister, first semester, academic year 2024-2025. Abrenica Carl Kevin M., Dean's Lister, first semester, academic year 2024-2025. Ante Chris Jasper B., Dean's Lister, first semester, academic year 2024-2025. Bibon Shen Rick, Dean's Lister, first semester, academic year 2024-2025. Okay. Broquesa Kim Carlo G., Dean's Lister, Publication Service Awardee. Cartejana John Michael, Comia Prince Jarno R., Golmatico Rhodes C., Literal Ian V., Logroño Mark David D. Marchan Kichay D. Kichi D. Musa Aaron Jared A. Ano yun? Nasyansen. Madam, Openiano. Ha? Openiano Jedrick John. Ito. Pas Andrew Kim A. Ronquillo Arnold V. Santo Domingo Sian Maverick. Alejo Kimberly V. Tutubo Micaela Nicole. Bilyen Zay Angela D. Bolaños Angeli B. Buen Chesley B. Bulawan Hanili B. Borabod Cecil Mia Luz. Casin Stephanie Gale. Dacilio Antonia Claire B. Diaz Joely Ann C. Joaquino Shane Chassis. Claudette D. Escobar Mary Antoinette O. Espanyo Crisandra Mika L. Grifal Maria Angelica E. Morales Juliana Roberta E. Musa Lara Joy L. Orseo Zailin M. Rebosura Jovel M. Rica Fort Esbia O. Rio Freo Maria Christine Berth. Triñanes Angelica M. And Valladolid Maria Paula C. Congratulations.
Presenting to you the academic awardees for the Bachelor of Physical Education second-year students. Almonte Carl Jake P. Barameda Raven C. Basquinas Justin N. Kabawatan Juan Carlo L. Kamu G. Ben G. Kandidato Eman Carl M. Geriba Jim Gabriel S. Loreno John Stephen I. Manrique Juver N. Mendones Lance RJD. Moralde Frances Andre C.
Akala ko apat-apat. Okay.
Nieva Jonel N. Orain Kirby M. Postrado Vince Eman P. Romero Juric L. Sabinosa Arnel M. Jr. Tabaco Joshua D. Tongko Ashley Jude. Alvarez Queen Adhel D. Araneta Maria Luisa A. Asilo Eden L. Astaño Shaina Bianca N. Basea Francis Laika L. Banania Angel Bernadette. Bilien Jedet R. Bilien Maria Therese R. Boncoden Ziha Cristel Shanice M. Borhal Diandra Nicole B. Katoliko Princess Angel V. Cortez Kiana Marie A. De Torres Janelle Rose M. Espartines Jessa S. Gandol Kristen Q. Gubot Sherry Maureen S. Humiliano Alicia Jane. Liansay Lindsay N. Lucilo Honey Beth J. Madrino Micaela C. Magdasok Kathy Princess C. Marbella Maria Alea C. Martin Queen Nova D. Medina Nikki Cathril B. Dean's Lister, second semester, 2023-2024. Dean's Lister. Mirandilia Shane, Dean's Lister. Nocido Rosemary, Dean's Lister. Ocampo Angel M, President's Lister, Dean's Lister. Olaera Dea A, Dean's Listers. Babylonia Catherine T, Dean's Listers. Salazar Regine V, Dean's Listers. Solestre Jane Kimberly G, President's Lister, Dean's Lister, Publication Service Awardee. Suarez Nori Ann B, Dean's Lister. Congratulations.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am proud to present to you the honorees and awardees of third year Bachelor in Physical Education. Let's appreciate and give them a big round of applause. Andes Gerald A, Dean's Lister. Ang Adrian G, Dean's Lister. Outstanding BUMDT Performer Awardee. Antivola Paul Angelo D, President's Lister, Leadership Awardee. Apodaca Lawrence Hill B, Dean's Lister. Atutubo Ronald M. Jr., Dean's Lister. Balane John Ray N., Dean's Lister. Balidoy Celso L. Jr., Dean's Lister. Banyega Kenneth Alvin B., Dean's Lister. Red Cross Youth Council Service Awardee. Benavente Kian B., Dean's Lister. Bolyosa Ken Andre D., Dean's Lister, President's Lister, Junior Counselor Service Awardee, and Outstanding BUMDT Performer Awardee. Borhal Alvin John B., Dean's Lister, Junior Counselor Service Awardee. Canon John Patrick A., Dean's Lister, President's Lister. Cardell Kim J.V., Dean's Lister. Castor Christopher T. Jr., Dean's Lister, Red Cross Youth Council Membership Awardee. Dacilio Christopher Lloyd B., Dean's Lister, President's Lister. De la Torre Joel H. Jr., Dean's Lister, President's Lister. Drise John Carlo E., Dean's Lister, Red Cross Youth Council Membership Awardee. Elizondo Luis Gabriel D., Dean's Lister. Esparago Curl Emil E., Dean's Lister. Astor Kyle L., Dean's Lister. Forte Kirk Razel M., Dean's Lister, Black President Service Awardee. Fresha Arlan Ray L., Dean's Lister. Garcia Antonio David M., Dean's Lister, President's Lister, and Junior Counselor Service Awardee. Iringan Amir Daniel P., Dean's Lister, President's Lister. Laxinto Harold M., Dean's Lister. Lasim John Paul E. L., Dean's Lister. Yosala Cyclone Benedict L., Dean's Lister. Liam James Harold S., Dean's Lister, President's Lister, Leadership Awardee, and Service Awardee. Lianeta Genesis E., Dean's Lister. Leona Limuel O., Dean's Lister. Lofamia Hans Elmer S., Dean's Lister. Magonles John Lloyd B., Dean's Lister, Red Cross Youth Council Membership Awardee. Meneke Kim Harold L., Dean's Lister. Miliano Edmondo S. Jr., Dean's Lister. Miraran Christian E., Dean's Lister, President's Lister. Morada Giancarlo L., Dean's Lister, Leadership Awardee. Nivero Vince Anthony A., Dean's Lister, President's Lister. Nopre Mark Gino N., Dean's Lister. Nuevo Joshua C., Dean's Lister, Red Cross Youth Council Membership Awardee. Nunez Andre M., Dean's Lister. Ordan Alexis N., Dean's Lister. Oriarte John Showi Leonor B., Dean's Lister. Ortal Charles E., Dean's Lister and President's Lister. Pacifico Aljo D., Dean's Lister. Pera John Eric A., Dean's Lister. Pinote Carl Franz D., Dean's Lister, President's Lister. Piñon Chris L., Dean's Lister, President's Lister. Bronze Charlie S., Dean's Lister. Puche Carl Alexis A., Dean's Lister. Robrigado Christian P., Dean's Lister. Saluta Ken M., Dean's Lister. Solano Arian Lloyd S., Dean's Lister and Junior Counselor Service Awardee. Torimania Alexis Gregory A., Dean's Lister. Villanueva Alchester B, Dean's Lister, President's Lister. Vista Aldrich M, Dean's Lister. Abihuro Fiona Jane M, Dean's Lister, President's Lister, Leadership Awardee and Service Awardee. Abetria Eliza Mariel T, Dean's Lister. Andes France Iris M, Dean's Lister. Aninipot Maria Alexa L, Dean's Lister. Austero Sherilu A, Dean's Lister. Baronia Alessa May A, Dean's Lister, President's Lister. And Red Cross Youth Council Membership Awardee. Belga Arian M, Dean's Lister, Red Cross Youth Council Service Awardee. Bercasio Eliza May A, Dean's Lister. Bermejo Lian L, Dean's Lister. Bermundo Ashley B, Dean's Lister. Bibat Moira B, Dean's Lister. Bongalos Jennifer D, Dean's Lister. Brito Angela Beatriz, Dean's Lister. Busa Nicole P, President's Lister and Dean's Lister. Cha Vida Shin C, Dean's Lister, President's Lister. Clerigo Justin Joy V, Dean's Lister and President's Lister. Collado Christine, Dean's Lister. Coral Claudine D, Dean's Lister. Cortez Janice Joy, Dean's Lister and President's Lister. Echemani Myra A, Dean's Lister. Fetalcorin Anjanet, Dean's Lister and President's Lister. Garcia John G. Claire, Dean's Lister. Gludo Jillian C, Dean's Lister. Herrera Maria Fatima N, Dean's Lister. Ibanez Ayana Samantha B, President's Lister. Lerida Nadine P, Dean's Lister. Lina Tricia May B, Dean's Lister and President's Lister. Llorera Paula May A, Dean's Lister. Logroño Isa May B, Dean's Lister and Red Cross Youth Council Membership Awardee. Loreno Daisel A, Dean's Lister and Red Cross Youth Council Membership Awardee. Lovendino Stephanie L, President's Lister, Black President Service Awardee. Lumbao Hailina Marie B, Dean's Lister, Junior Counselor Service Awardee. Magallones Abigail O, Dean's Lister. Magdasok Carly Z S, Dean's Lister. Mancera Remy B, Dean's Lister. Mandane Hesichel A, Dean's Lister and Black President Service Awardee. Maravilla Bianca A, Dean's Lister. Marbella Shakira Ashley C, Dean's Lister. Marfil Mary Ann M, Dean's Lister and President's Lister. Marfil Mary Grace M, Dean's Lister. Maroliano Mendelia G, Dean's Lister and Outstanding BUMDT Performer Awardee. Martin Roja Claire, Dean's Lister and President's Lister, Junior Counselor Service Awardee. Martinez Hannah Ira N, Dean's Lister. Matamorosa Juliana C, Dean's Lister and President's Lister. Matosinho Mary Rose A, Dean's Lister and President's Lister. Mejidana Marian A, Dean's Lister.
Melesio Angelu L. Dance Lester. Miranda Julian Marie M. Dance Lester. Montas Krish Jade P. Dance Lester. Moralejo Lady Angeline M. Dance Lester. Morco Christian Joy C. Dance Lester. Navera Rizali O. Dance Lester. Nolial Sharina Julian C. Dance Lister and President's Lister. Nuarin Maria Samantha N. Dance Lister. Nunez Katrina A. Dance Lister. Okol Jana Irish A. Dance Lister and President's Lister. Odato Regina Carla P. Dance Lister and President's Lister. Orogo Diana A. Dance Lister. Ortega Sharina Hasmin B. Dance Lister and President's Lister. Palabrica Abigail N. Dance Lister. Pertez Mary France A. Dance Lister. Portas Maria Eunice D. Dance Lister. Ramirez Krisha R. Dance Lister and President's Lister. Rapi Daimi Rose T. Dance Lister. Rosales Regeline P. Dance Lister. Silvano Joylene M. Dance Lister and President's Lister. Vargas Jamil B. Dance Lister. Congratulations.
The award is for the Bachelor of Physical Education, 4th year level. Alamo Francis Manuel V. Dance Lister. Alemania Jan Omar D. Dance Lister. Altavano Melvin. Dance Lister. Andes Mark Anthony R. Dance Lister. Apuli Jason N. Dance Lister. Arienda Carl Emil P. Dance Lister. Aspirin Carl Daniel J. Dance Lister. Astor Kin Chardon M. Dance Lister. Atutubo Christian John B. Dance Lister, Outstanding Junior Counselor Awardee. Ayeng Sir James Vincent R. Dance Lister, Outstanding Junior Counselor Awardee and Publication Service Awardee. Basilonia Deo Anthony B. Dance Lister. Bahintin James C. Dance Lister. Banga Adrian B. Dance Lister. Baria Joshua A. Dance Lister and President's Lister. Baricas Chester A. Dance Lister. Bartolai Jansen R. Dance Lister, Outstanding BUMDT Performer Awardee and Outstanding Junior Counselor Awardee. Batalier Jan Vincent M. Dance Lister. Hino Lawrence B. Dance Lister. Binaya John Lloyd V. President's Lister and Publication Service Awardee. Blancaflor Arnold B. Dance Lister. Blazo John Lloyd N. Dance Lister. Borja John Kevin R. Dance Lister. Buban Christian M. President's Lister, Dance Lister. Bohatin RJ M. Dance Lister. Kalingasyon Julius Prosi A. President's Lister and Dean's Lister. Carrizo Ricky Martin M. Dean's Lister and Outstanding Junior Counselor Awardee. Castillo Onward C. President's Lister, Dean's Lister. Diamante Yuri C. Dean's Lister. Diaz John Allen M. Dean's Lister. Ebuenga Dexter R. President's Lister, Dean's Lister, and Outstanding Junior Counselor Awardee. Escote Casimiro M. III. Dean's Lister. Fantastico Shan Therese R. Dean's Lister. Outstanding BUMDT Performer Awardee and Outstanding Junior Counselor Awardee. Fortes James, Dean's Lister, Leadership Awardee and Service Awardee. Gandia Ivan J.C., Dean's Lister Outstanding Junior Counselor Awardee. Gibana James M., Dean's Lister. Hakar Wilner P. Jr., Dean's Lister, President's Lister, and Publication Service Awardee. Hazarena Fajorge D., Dean's Lister, Junior Counselor Service Awardee. Leop Renz, Dean's Lister. Litton Lester, Dean's Lister. Lomerio Johnnery M., Dean's Lister Outstanding Junior Counselor Awardee. Lasenia Francis Carl G., Dean's Lister. Mangampo Emmanuel R., Dean's Lister, President's Lister. Melgar Ralph Lauren S., Dean's Lister. Mendina Mark Joseph, Dean's Lister. Mendizabal Matt F., Dean's Lister. Melanias Anton M., Dean's Lister. Mirapuente Sean Michael M., Dean's Lister. Monares The Boy L., Dean's Lister. Mortel Jose T. III, Dean's Lister. Mostales Jackie Paulo B., Dean's Lister. Nava Jesse G. Jr., Dean's Lister. Albani Gilbert B. Jr., Dean's Lister. Okbina Joshua B., Dean's Lister. Okfemia Daniel O., Dean's Lister. Operio Charles Gabriel C., Dean's Lister. Paz Rodney J. B., Dean's Lister Outstanding Junior Counselor Awardee. Kesam Simone Alec B., Dean's Lister. Ramirez Cyril B., Dean's Lister. Revaleo Angelo C., Dean's Lister. Rianzo Aris Dave S., President's Lister, Dean's Lister, and Outstanding Junior Counselor Awardee. Abraham Jerica May, Dean's Lister. Alaurin Abigail B., Dean's Lister. Alcantara Michelle C., Dean's Lister. Altamera Catherine Joy A., Dean's Lister. Amaro Alea May C., Dean's Lister. Andes Rafaela L., Dean's Lister. Argones Crisbel Joyce C., Dean's Lister, President's Lister. Armenta Janeline M., Dean's Lister. Balitian Lyra B., Dean's Lister. Barasona Maria Kyla H., Dean's Lister. Basa Melissa Ann L., Dean's Lister. Betchida Marilyn B., Dean's Lister. Bigueras Eloisa Faye B., Dean's Lister and President's Lister. Belardo Marjo Ann G., Dean's Lister. Belando Mary Angela Joy R., Dean's Lister. Briones Jael L., Dean's Lister and President's Lister. Briones Kiana Rain L., Dean's Lister. Brazula Nicole M., Dean's Lister. Buban A's Venere A., President's Lister, Outstanding Junior Counselor Awardee, and Block President Service Awardee. Burak Danica C., Dean's Lister. Kamasis Vanette T., Dean's Lister and Publication Service Awardee. Canon Aliana Kirsten M., Dean's Lister, President's Lister, and Outstanding BUMDT Performer Awardee. Canon Christine K. M., Dean's Lister, President's Lister. Cantoria Rufa May R., Dean's Lister. Kapati Pearly A., Dean's Lister, President's Lister. Casabuena Bea, Dean's Lister. Casabuena Carla A., Dean's Lister. Clarinho Kyla Ashley Maurice B., Dean's Lister. Coprada Princess Angelina C., Dean's Lister. Corod Ella Jane A., Dean's Lister. Dalma Mary Grace N., Dean's Lister. Dao Jessica M., Dean's Lister. Dayaw Jana S. Dean's Lister, Outstanding BUMDT Performer. De Jesus Nadine K.L. Dean's Lister. De la Cruz Abigail G. Dean's Lister. Dignos Gian R. President's Lister. Delendo Kyla Gwen Marie R. Dean's Lister. Expedido Ara H. President's Lister and Black President Service Awardee. Gokoyo Rose Ann G. Dean's Lister. Gohar Eunice R. Dean's Lister, President's Lister. Ormina Karil S. Dean's Lister. Innocencio Kathleen C. Dean's Lister, President's Lister. Hugarap Angela Christine Y. Dean's Lister. Leron Claire Juan F. Dean's Lister. Lim Lizelle O. Dean's Lister. Lita Julianne L. Dean's Lister. Lobrino Shira A. Dean's Lister. Lopera Justin K. D. Dean's Lister, President's Lister. Loresto Nicaela G. Dean's Lister. Losande Princess Louisa A. Dean's Lister. Magdaong Princess L. Dean's Lister. Malagueño Russell P. Dean's Lister. Mangao Arabella A. President's Lister. Manzanillo Althea May B. Dean's Lister. Mejorada Elaine May P. Dean's Lister. Melievo Mylene V. Dean's Lister and President's Lister. Mirabel Shari Ann. Dean's Lister. Miranda Leia. Dean's Lister. Moral Abigail M. Dean's Lister and President's Lister. Mooney Elaine Grace F. President's Listers, Dean's Lister. Mooney Eloisa Grace F. Dean's Lister, President's Lister. Nasaliada Maria Angelica T. Dean's Lister, President's Lister. Nunez Joy R. Dean's Lister. Ocliana Rosa B. Dean's Lister. Oxina Melissa R. Dean's Lister and President's Lister. Pantacanya Daniela C. Dean's Lister. Salas Antonia O. President's Lister, Outstanding Junior Counselor Awardee, Publication Service Awardee, Black President's Service Awardee, and Outstanding BUMDT Performer Awardee. Santos Gisrel Ann G. President's Lister. Sarampote Trixie Shaina, Dean's Lister. Seda Dana Cassandra Rose, Dean's Lister. Serrano Fiona Isabel T. Dean's Lister, President's Lister, Outstanding BUMDT Performer Awardee and Outstanding Junior Counselor Awardee. Talier Riza May K. Dean's Lister. Tria Ann Riza B. Dean's Lister. And Vergara Stephanie G. Dean's Lister. Congratulations.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you the academic awardees for the first year level for the Bachelor of Science in Exercise and Sports Sciences, major in Fitness Sports Coaching. Agimba James Carlo, Dean Solicitor. Albia Aaron Carl. Albia Aaron Carl, Dean Solicitor. Aquino Kenneth S., Dean Solicitor. Arama Glenn Russell. Arango Raymart M., Dean Solicitor. Arena Carl B., Dean Solicitor. Aringo Andrew R., Dean Solicitor. Aringo Ramon C., Dean Solicitor. Ativo Kyle L., Dean Solicitor. Banyares Ivan B., Dean Solicitor. Bande Christian D., Dean Solicitor. Bansagalas Ryan Carl, Dean Solicitor. Baki Kyle Cuthbert B., Dean Solicitor. Baronia Nico A., Dean Solicitor. Batalya AJL, Dean Solicitor. Batas Mark A., Dean Solicitor. Belian Francis Ray B., Dean Solicitor. Benosa John Harvey B., Dean Solicitor. Breva Rog Gabriel A., Dean Solicitor. Billones Hill and Jr., President Solicitor. Bio Aaron Chevy B., Dean Solicitor. Biola Sam J. Lord M., Dean Solicitor. Bo John Christopher C., Dean Solicitor. Bronyosa Josh Gabriel P., Dean Solicitor. Bronyosa Kirk Heinrich O., Dean Solicitor. Canielas Jules, Dean Solicitor. Kanya Jubet, Dean Solicitor. Carino Salvador Vince P., Dean Solicitor. Simanes Lawrence L., Dean Solicitor. Constantino John Gabriel, Dean Solicitor. Dalma Mervin N., Dean Solicitor. Daria Mark Russell G., Dean Solicitor. De la Cruz George P., Dean Solicitor. Jones Nicky B., Dean Solicitor. Espinas John Paul, Dean Solicitor. Fajardo John Benedict D., Dean Solicitor. Gabiano Paulo R., Dean Solicitor. Gaurano Rolf Joseph B., Dean Solicitor. Halyares Mark Louis B., Dean Solicitor. Hernandez Harold Manuel A., Dean Solicitor. Lanuso Eliab Cyrus A., Dean Solicitor. Liosala Sam Leslie L., Dean Solicitor. Lositano Mark Joseph C., Dean Solicitor. Lotino Jeremy, Dean Solicitor. Lotino Ian P., Dean Solicitor. Loyola Carl Angelo A., Dean Solicitor. Madridano J.P. M., Dean Solicitor. Malto Nico M., President Solicitor. Publication Service Awardee. Marcaide Christian L., Dean Solicitor. Margalio Cyrus James B., Dean Solicitor. Marilia Dave Lawrence C., Dean's Lister. Marsan John B., Dean's Lister. Medolyar Rainer M., Dean's Lister. Mejila Ivan A., Dean's Lister. Militante Robert James M., Dean's Lister. Milyara John Lay, Dean's Lister. Milyara John Lay, Dean's Lister. Mirabuna Jed Marian P., Dean's Lister. Mohar Lander, Dean's Lister. Moncada Jeffrey N., Dean's Lister. Morales Benedict M., Dean's Lister. On this Ian, Dean's Lister. Ortal Joshua Norman T., Dean's Lister. Paliones Alfonso C., Dean's Lister. Panessa Christian O., Dean's Lister. Ricafort Efren L. III, Dean's Lister. Riva Raven P., Dean's Lister. Rodriguez Ron Gino S., Dean's Lister. Trabisonda Dewey Chan B., Dean's Lister. Olanday Kian Welt D., Dean's Lister. Villamor Joaquim Arthur V., Dean's Lister. Almario Altea Rain P., Dean's Lister. Almocera Janelle A., Dean's Lister. Aquino Maria Antoinette, Dean's Lister. Aragon Jessa M., Dean's Lister, Black President Service Awardee. Arias Romilin E., Dean's Lister. Atutubo Levine Joy D., Dean's Lister. Balderrama Laika C., Dean's Lister. Balhemino Jillian A., Dean's Lister, RCYC Membership Awardee. Baronia Nicole Ann B., President's Lister. Base Cyrene Ann B., Dean's Lister. Belusa Rica Marie B., Dean's Lister. Bendiana Jasmine M., Dean's Lister. Berido Kimberly L., Dean's Lister, Black President Service Awardee. Boaloy Teresa O., Dean's Lister. Cabalisa Nicole N., Dean's Lister. Calio Abigail, Dean's Lister. Cass Daiso Ann C., President's Lister. Katamora Kate M., Dean's Lister, Junior Counselor Service Awardee. De La Cruz Janelle D., Dean's Lister. Ecleo Shaina Pauline A., Dean's Lister. MP Aliana D., Dean's Lister. Eva Princess Kim B., Dean's Lister. Fegason Hannah May O., Dean's Lister, Black President Service Awardee. Gonzalez Casey M., Dean's Lister, Outstanding BUMDT Performer Awardee. Gutierrez Maria Jasmine, Dean's Lister. Labanda Joel B., Dean's Lister. Layson Jamea S., Dean's Lister. Lisay Margaret D., Dean's Lister. Llorando Princess Jane L., Dean's Lister. Lord Ronyo Nika M., Dean's Lister. Lomangaya Janea C., Dean's Lister. Lopez Janine U., Dean's Lister. Loreno Jillian A., Dean's Lister. Ludovice Melrose, Dean's Lister. Lustre Monica S., Dean Solicitor. Masinas Maria Arabella B., Dean Solicitor. Madelar Jalen A., Dean Solicitor. Marcelo Alexa Lay R., Dean Solicitor. Matosinhos Charlotte M., Dean Solicitor. Mejiliano Irish Kim A., Dean Solicitor. Meliana Princess Anne B., Dean Solicitor. Miranda Jillian L., Dean Solicitor. Moralejo Lovely Abigail M., Dean Solicitor. Moratalia Chesney Lay R., Dean Solicitor. Morojo Eliza May, Dean Solicitor. Morota Jessa O., Dean Solicitor. Ombao Micaela B., Dean Solicitor. Orjales Akisha Lily M., Dean Solicitor. Piokid Renalyn C., Dean Solicitor. Quinones Cheska May A., Dean Solicitor. And Tibra Sheena May M., Dean Solicitor. Black President Service Awardee, Publication Service Awardee. The awardees for the Bachelor of Science in Exercise Sports, Major in Fitness and Sports Management, Abile John Joseph II, Dean Solicitor. Alama CJB, Dean Solicitor. Albaitar Victor P., Dean Solicitor. Almario James Sander A., Dean Solicitor. Ala Dominic John N., Dean Solicitor. Altamera Miko R., Dean Solicitor. Arias Patrick A., Dean Solicitor. Arsinue Joshua B., Dean Solicitor. Asejo Justin C., Dean Solicitor. Ativo Carl L., Dean Solicitor. Balimino Renato A. Jr., Dean Solicitor. Balonsit Christian A., Dean Solicitor. Black President Service Awardee. Banyares Hans Axel M., Dean Solicitor. Borbe Mark Joseph P., Dean Solicitor. Kabugwason John Ray, Dean Solicitor. Kamasis Dan Fernan L., Dean Solicitor. Camby Harold Ian L., Dean Solicitor. Diaz Mark Justin M., Dean Solicitor. Black President Service Awardee. Ecleo Aaron A., Dean Solicitor. Hilario Janelle M., Dean Solicitor. Leovit Franz Joseph B., Dean Solicitor. Lodana Reynard N., Dean Solicitor. Lomerio Dave Lawrence M., Dean Solicitor. Loreto Chandler Rod Faustin E., Dean Solicitor. Magbanlag Dale Lawrence B., Dean Solicitor. Olarte John Louis M., Dean Solicitor. Osia Nazarene J., Dean Solicitor. Pregonero Archie B., Dean Solicitor. Remoto Emmanuel, Dean Solicitor. Black President Service Awardee. Tibe Aldrin E., Dean Solicitor. Villanueva Gian Carl J., Dean Solicitor. Alejo Gabriel E., Dean Solicitor. Ashada Kristen T., Dean Solicitor. Balasta Pia Vanessa I., Dean Solicitor. Balderrama Gurley M., Dean Solicitor. Banga Ann Colette B., Dean Solicitor. Baronia Maria Alea A., Dean Solicitor. Biando Christine Claire C., Dean Solicitor. Bocalbos Janela May P., Dean Solicitor. Brihino Maricor B., Dean Solicitor. Briobo Cyril M., Dean Solicitor. Broquesa Mary Abigail N., Dean Solicitor. Cantoria Brency Ann E., Dean Solicitor. Hernandez Cyril B., Dean Solicitor. Lita Emil Dominic M., Dean Solicitor. Liagas Leia May A., Dean Solicitor. Longasa Bernadette M., Dean Solicitor. And Loreno Bernadette L., Dean Solicitor. Lorilia Giselle M. Dean's Lister, Losa Crystalline M. Dean's Lister, Manrisa Cecilia Angela B. Dean's Lister, Marquez Jeb Mika D. Dean's Lister. Minya Ken Hanasi Dean's Lister, Morano Rokina A. Dean's Lister, Nabor Eliza May N. Dean's Lister, Namia Leila Marie Dean's Lister. Nebreha Angeline M. Dean's Lister, Nieva Missy Larian L. Dean's Lister, Ostanal Janelle Rose T. Dean's Lister, Paragas Jean Marie A. Dean's Lister. Pasukin Mary Ann M. Dean's Lister, Pineda Carla Marie A. Dean's Lister. Congratulations.
The awardee for the Bachelor of Science in Exercise and Sports Sciences, major in Fitness, Sports, and Management, second year. Ali Alistair Youssef L., Dean's Lister, RCYC Service Awardee. Azopardo Sunny B., Dean's Lister. Balia Ramon John Ian S., Dean's Lister. Barangkil Benedict M., Dean's Lister. Domingo Leonard Alfred L., Dean's Lister, Junior Counselor Service Awardee, Publication Service Awardee, and Block President Service Awardee. Madraso GPB, Dean's Lister, RCYC Membership Awardee. Abrique Regine S., Dean's Lister. Balmas Maria Cindy B., President's Lister, Dean's Lister, and Block President Service Awardee. Bobiles Ruth A., Dean's Lister, RCYC Membership Awardee. Cantero Imari M., Dean's Lister. Celiona Diana Faith B., President's Listers and Dean's Lister. Lagunoy Kathleen Kate S., Dean's Lister, RCYC Membership Awardee. Morada Alma B., Dean's Lister, RCYC Membership Awardee. And Predilia Jade Angel R., Dean's Lister and Outstanding BUMDT Performer Awardee. Congratulations, FSM majors. Bachelor of Science in Exercise and Sports Sciences, Fitness and Sports Coaching, second year awardees. Abordo Francis H., President's Listers, Dean's Lister. Alindugan Aldwin A., Dean's Lister. Almeida Kim Andrew B., Dean's Lister. Baldres John Carl C., Dean's Lister. Baloloy John Millard M., Dean's Lister. Baracena Jolo O., Dean's Lister. Batalier John Lawrence N., Dean's Lister. Bercasio Rolly A., Dean's Lister. Benamira Jairo D., Dean's Lister. Brunyosa Cyril James B., Dean's Lister and Block President Service Awardee. Colliere Yazki A., Dean's Lister, President's Lister, and Outstanding BUMDT Performer Awardee. Dipolog Mo Yusuf S., Dean's Lister. Puerte Janre Carlo S., Dean's Lister. Galindez Justin Fritz G., Dean's Lister. Haushan Sheridan Jr. Z., President's Listers and Dean's Lister. Leonaresas Lance Oliver P., Dean's Lister. Leona John Cruz L., President's Lister, Dean's Lister. Medjavillo Julian D., Dean's Lister. Moral Shan Kenneth N., Dean's Lister. Olaita Kim Justin L., Dean's Lister. Perez John Lawrence S., Dean's Lister. Rodriguez James Rosser M., Dean's Lister. Romero Mark N., Dean's Lister. San Miguel Elijah Moses I., Dean's Lister. Santillan Oliver B., President's Lister. Seva Mark B., Dean's Lister. Tolosa Jeremy O., President's Lister, Dean's Lister. Tonga Brian J. M., Dean's Lister. Amaranto Heisel M., Dean's Lister. Aranya Erica L., Dean's Lister. Balya Irish Lay Ann B., Dean's Lister. Baloloy Jaros Florence P., Dean's Lister. Basco Julia Beatriz S., Dean's Lister. Bendanya LVO, Dean's Lister. Benitez Ramsel L., Dean's Lister. Biton Regine M., Dean's Lister and Junior Counselor Service Awardee. Boneo Jeans Shaina C., Dean's Lister. Calibuso Trisha, Dean's Lister. Danyes Darrell V., Dean's Lister. De La Peña Danica Rose S., President's Lister and Dean's Lister. Diaz Juan Joy C., Dean's Lister. Garcia Daniel Marie C., Dean's Lister. Lieno Jean Pearl N., President's Lister. Leorando Jasmine M., Dean's Lister. Mapagdalita Marjorie J., Dean's Lister. Mayor Yvonne May, Dean's Lister and Outstanding BUMDT Performer Awardee. Meliana Maurice O., Dean's Lister. Monreal Yvonne Francesca A., President's Lister, Dean's Lister. Navarro Jara Faith G., Dean's Lister. Noilan Gigi M., Dean's Lister. Paje Christina Andrea M., Dean's Lister and Black President Service Awardee. Rempilio Jody Oraye, Dean's Lister. Congratulations.
The awardees for Bachelor of Science in Exercise and Sports Science, major in Fitness and Sports Management, third year. Batalla James Reynolds, Dean's Lister. Briones Ian Rodel, Dean's Lister and RCYC Membership Awardee. Espinas Carl, Dean's Lister. Nashon Sean Crease, Dean's Lister and RCYC Active Member Awardee. Balderrama Arlea May, Dean's Lister. Guamos Charmaine, Dean's Lister. Mangampo Charlene Loreen, Dean's Lister. Pregonero Angela, Dean's Lister and Outstanding BUMDT Performer Awardee. Sabagay Charlotte, Dean's Lister and RCYC Membership Awardee. Rodriguez Shekinah Rain, Dean's Lister and President's Lister. C. Chairis, Dean's Lister. Toledo Ira, Dean's Lister. Congratulations, FSM Major. For the Bachelor of Science in Exercise and Sports Science, major in Fitness and Sports Coaching, third year awardees. Adamos John Raynard, Dean's Lister. Banzagales Gemar, Dean's Lister. Bigtas J.R., Dean's Lister and Black President Service Awardee. Kalaywan Lance Razel, Dean's Lister. Wala. Opleda Mark Joseph, Dean's Lister. Alamo Hazel Claire, Dean's Lister and RCYC Membership Awardee. Bosquilios Jane, Dean's Lister and RCYC Membership Awardee. Daito Alexandria Aliha, Dean's Lister. De Guzman Rica, Dins Lister and RCYC Membership Awardee. Ignacio Jasmine, Dins Lister and RCYC Membership Awardee. Liquido Haiji Ann, Dins Lister. Mangampo Cassandra Jane, Dins Lister. Mapa Sandra, Dins Lister and RCYC Membership Awardee. Justin Mostasa, Dins Lister. Ralja May Neptuno, Dins Lister. Opeda Julian, Dins Lister and President's Lister. Passion Marimar, Dins Lister and President Lister and RCYC Membership Awardee. Talier Kim Razel, Dins Lister. Verdeflor Jenalyn, Dins Lister, Leadership Awardee, Service Awardee. Congratulations, third year. The awardees for the Bachelor of Science in Exercise and Sports Science, major in Fitness and Sports Management, fourth year. Alamo Maynard, Dins Lister and President's Lister. Enriquez Angel Chintz, Dins Lister and President Lister's RCYC Membership Awardee. Medjavillo Jericho, Dins Lister, President's Lister, and RCYC Membership Awardee. Pimentel Michael, Dins Lister and President's Lister. Borse Tricia Marie, Dins Lister. Dalde Patricia May, Dins Lister, President's Lister, and Junior Counselor Service Awardee. Laron Mary Joy, Dins Lister and President's Lister. Oronia Yuri Akira Ivy, Dins Lister and President's Lister. Ramirez Andre Roslin, Dins Lister and President's Lister. And Santelian Zishame, President's Lister and Block President Service Awardee. Congratulations, FSM. The Bachelor of Science in Exercise and Sports Science, major in Fitness and Sports Coaching, fourth year awardees. Alemania John Kirby, Dins Lister and President's Lister. Ansu Soselito Jr., Dins Lister and President's Lister. Apuyan Joscoro Nunez II, Dins Lister. Astillero Mark Paul, President Lister. Baclao Dominic, Dins Lister and President's Lister. Caparino Carlo, President's Lister. Demetilio Kenneth Angelo, Dins Listers and President Lister. Liam Harold, Dins Lister and President's Lister. Marinas Alfred, Dins Lister and President's Lister. Martinez Francis Cedric, Dins Lister and President's Lister. Morada Julius, President's Lister. Nunez Kervin, Dins Lister. Osera Jomar J., President's Lister and Block President Service Awardee. Rangel Carlos, Dins Lister and President's Lister. Remolar Joshua, Dins Lister and President's Lister. Riola Michael John, Dins Lister. Velasco John Luis, Dins Lister and President's Lister. Barricas Louise Ann, Dins Lister and President's Lister. Boncalos Heidi, President's Lister. Cordovilla Lovely Joy, President's Lister. De Una Francine, Dean's Lister and President's Lister. Herrera Jerlene, Dean's Lister and President's Lister. Herrera Jessamay, President's Lister. Liamelo Cheryl, Dean's Lister and President's Lister. Madredano Maybe, Dean's Lister and President's Lister. Manrique Ivy, President's Lister and Publication Service Awardee. Monsalve Daniel Ira, Dean's Lister and President's Lister. Obing Mariel, Dean's Lister and President's Lister. Akfemia Jamaica, Dean's Lister. Ocero Janiel, Dean's Lister and President's Lister. And last, William Mean, Dean's Lister. Congratulations! That concludes the awardees for the Bachelor of Science in Exercise and Sports Science. Congratulations, awardee.
Once again, congratulations to the BUIPED and BUIPESR awardees. At this juncture, we will now be awarding the special awards for the individuals who made an outstanding performance in this academic year. Allow me to call on the director, Dr. Karina L. Sales, together with the Associate Director, Dr. Rachel K.P. Peguera, of course, with the Sports Coordinator and the CSASC Advisor, Professor Robert B. Madrazo. Before anything else, allow me to read the citation. Athletic Performance Award is hereby awarded to the individuals for their exemplary performance and remarkable achievement as a medalist in the 2025 National SQUAA held on April 22 to 27 at Camiguin Polytechnic State College, Camiguin Island. Given today at Bicol University College of Engineering Gymnasium, Legazpi City, Albay, during the recognition. Signed by Robert B. Madrazo and Dr. Karina L. Sales. Athletic Performance Award is hereby awarded to Miss Lovely Joy Cordovilla. You may now come on stage. The same award is given to Miss Kathleen Kate S. Lagunoy. Kathleen Kate S. Lagunoy. Wala. Jean Paul A. Llaneta. Genesis E. Llaneta. Jean Carl P. Orbigo. Jamea S. Layson. Dana Cassandra Ross E. Seda. Jasmine Mendinilia. Mark R. Nunez. Jomar Paladin. Jomari Paladi. Riza May K. Talier. Zomar O. Pante. That concludes the awarding for the special recognition for the learners. And of course, Jomar O. Pante, Athlete of the Year, and of course, as for his outstanding performance as the gold medalist during the National SQAA. So he is not around today because he's still recovering from an injury. So congratulations once again to all the outstanding, and of course to other learners. Outstanding college-based organization is awarded to Layag. Leadership and Youth Ambassadors Guild, or Layag, headed by Leonard Alfred Domingo. They will be receiving a certificate and a plaque. May we call on as well the advisors. We have Professor Alexander Alejo and Ma'am Angelica Lianto. Awarding of Most Outstanding College Student and Most Outstanding College Graduate. Most Outstanding College Student, we have James Harold S. Lim. Outstanding College Student in Scholarship, James Harold S. Lim. Outstanding College Student in Service, James Harold Lim. And Outstanding College Student in Leadership, James Harold S. Lim. Outstanding College Graduate in Scholarship is hereby awarded to Jessamay L. Herrera. We will also be awarding the Outstanding College Graduate in terms of service, Outstanding College Graduates in Leadership, and of course, Most Outstanding College Graduate. All these three are awarded to Antonia O. Sales. Wala naman na sunod. Once again, congratulations to all the awardees for today. The BIPED and BISES departments, congratulations as well for your remarkable achievement. And of course, we're through awarding the special recognition to the different learners out there. We will be proceeding, of course, to the most outstanding graduate address, and it will be given by our outstanding graduate, who is Antonia Sales. Well, we are still we are still waiting for her to come on stage. Once again, we'd like to extend thanks to all those who are here today to celebrate this occasion with us, to the parents, to the learners of BIPED and BISES, FSC and FSM, the faculty members, the technical team, and also the staff that we have for today. Maraming salamat for making this 30th recognition of IPSR a remarkable one. So I think Miss Antonia Osales is ready. Once again, let us now hear the most outstanding graduate address.
Thank you, sis. A blessed afternoon to each and every one of you. To our esteemed SUC President for Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III, to our Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Maria Julieta B. Boras, to the Acting Dean of USAS, Ma'am Jaslyn T. Imperial, to our Director, Dr. Karina L. Salas, to our Associate Director, Dr. Kate P. Piguera, to our guest speaker, Dr. Sarah Jane B. Labarda, and to all the dedicated faculty members and fellow students of BUIPSR. Good afternoon. It is with profound pride and heartfelt gratitude that I stand before you today, as I reflect on the 4 transformative years I have spent at the Institute of Physical Education, Sports, and Recreation, an institute that has shaped me, challenged me, and transformed me into who I am today. IPSR is more than just an institution. It is a home, a community, and truly the home of champions. Sa paglipas ng mga taon, madalas kong marinig na ang IPSR ay puro sports lang ang alam. But let me be clear. I strongly disagree with that perception. And I stand here today as living proof that what we have in IPSR goes far beyond the court, the field, or the dance floor. We are home to outstanding and passionate educators who continue to inspire and guide us with excellence. At the heart of this institution is our dynamic director, Dr. Karina L. Salas, a dedicated leader, guides the IPSR community with passion and purpose. We are also home to student athletes who compete with both strength and heart, to dancers and singers who move and inspire, to digitally savvy individuals ready to succeed in the modern world, to student leaders who rise above every challenge, and yes, to scholars who excel academically. We are more than the stereotypes. We are well-rounded, resilient, and driven. We are a reflection of hard work, talent, and excellence. Despite of all this awardees, students, and graduates from this institution each carry their own stories and have faced their own personal struggles in life. Last night, while strolling through my phone, I came across a post from one of my batchmates here in IPSR, who was deeply saddened because her mother won't be able to attend today, nor will she be present on our graduation day. Another student shared that their parents will no longer be able to attend, having passed away too soon. Perhaps some of you come to class straight from your jobs as working students, while others prioritize responsibilities at home first. Yet, despite the lack of sleep, you remain committed to attending your class. And of course, to being here today. Marami. There are countless stories we have never fully known. But there's one thing I want to say to all of you. I am so incredibly proud of you. And so, to everyone who has been part of my journey, to my professor, thank you very much for everything. We would not be where we are today
nor carry the knowledge we have without you. To Ma'am Karina Sales, Tay Wilben, Sir Mark, Tay Moy, Tay Lood, Father Bai, and Nay Grace, thank you so much for treating me as more than just a student. You have been like parents to me within this institution. To the professor lecturer, Teacher Wen, Teacher Francis, Teacher Gang, Teacher Pat, Teacher Rochelle, Teacher JL, Teacher Mikay, Teacher Lucky, Teacher Ida, Teacher Ranmar, Teacher Kent, Teacher Pali, Coach Carr, Ma'am Charmaine, Teacher Alexis, thank you. Dahil nakahanap ako ng mga atit, kuya, kaibigan, at guro. Iisa sa inyong lahat. To the non-teaching and maintenance staff, thank you for keeping IPSR running smoothly and cared for with dedication. Mamimiss ko ang pagsabi ng good morning, Kuya Noel. Kung nandito man si Kuya Noel, shout out sa iyo. To my CSC fam and our student college president, James, thank you so much. Ginawa mong memorable ang last year namin sa BU. Sayang at di na namin maaabutan ang second term mo. Pero isa lang ang masasabi ko sa iyo. Proud na proud kaming mga ate mo sa iyo. Kung iniisip mong baka hindi mo kayanin dahil wala na kami, tandaan mong nariyan pa ang mga co-officers, mga nararapat sa posisyon, at kung kinaya mo ang unang taon, mas lalo mong kakayanin ang ikalawang taon. To my BUMDT fam, sa mga naiwan naming dancers, thank you, Dad. Pag-igihan niyo pa, mas lalo niyong mahalin at pahalagahan ang samahang nabuo at mga alas sa pagdaan ng panahon. Dalhin niyo palagi ang puso sa bawat galaw at ipagpatuloy niyong isayaw ang kwento ng ating samahan. To my friends, Sean, Fio, Bernadette, Jessie, CJ, Ace, Aris, Christian Buban, Hara, Sir James, at sa iba pa, thank you dahil pinagaan niyo ang college life ko. Hindi ko man alam kung saan tayo dadalhin ng tadhana, pero salamat sa 4 na taong pinagsamahan natin. To my partner, thank you for everything. Thank you for staying by my side. Thank you for helping me keep things balanced and for being with me through all my sleepless nights. Thank you so, so much. To my parents, Mommy, Tito Jonas, Mama and Papa, thank you dahil pinayagan niyo akong lumabas sa Sorsogon and to pursue my studies here at BU. Thank you for all those sacrifices, efforts, support, and love you've shown me. Wala ako sa kinakatayuan ko ngayon nang hindi dahil sa iyo. Sa inyo. To my ates and tita and tito, thank you rin po sa lahat. Kayo rin ang naging kaagapay ni Mami throughout my college journey. Di ko alam ang gagawin ko kung wala kayo. And lastly, to you, Lord, maraming salamat. Thank you for strengthening me during the times when I was filled with doubts. Thank you for all the blessings you've given me, and I'm already thankful for those that are yet to come. To my classmates, batchmates, and fellow awardees who are here today, congratulations. But I hope you don't forget to enjoy life and your college journey. Sabi nga sa kanta, ang buhay ay di karera. So don't pressure yourself too much and never forget to give yourself a break. Kung napapagod, magpahinga. Pero wag na wag kayong susuko. Sana dalhin natin ang 4 na haligi ng BU. Ang scholarship, character, service, and leadership. Despite how painful or challenging life can be, you continue to face it head on. You continue to fight. And I can truly say, you are champions. Champions of your own stories. We wouldn't be called champions without a reason. We earned the title, and we carry it with honor. Padayon IPSR, padayon mga ka-champs. Thank you and congratulations to all of us.
Thank you very much for the heartfelt message, Miss Antonia O. Salas. At this juncture, we're almost done with the program. May we call on the CISAS, Professor Robert B. Madrazo, for the closing remarks.
Okay. As we draw to close this year's BUIPSR recognition program, my heart is overflowing with gratitude. This event, which celebrates the dedication and hard work of our honorees, wouldn't be possible without collective effort of many. First and foremost, we offer our deepest thanks to Almighty God for His guidance for making this day a reality. To our esteemed guest speaker, Dr. Sarah Jane Labarda, thank you for gracing with us, with your presence, and for sharing your inspiring words. We are truly honored that you said yes to be a part of this significant program. We extend our sincere appreciation to BPAA Maria Julieta B. Bores and to our visionary President, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin Nevers III. Your unwavering support and leadership continue to pave the way for excellence within our institution. And of course, a special thank also to our director, Dr. Karina Alzares, for her consistent support and dedication and to every program of the institution. To Dr. Rachel Kate P. Piguera, thank you for always being just one call away, ready to troubleshoot any problem that arose. Your readiness to help is truly enviable. Our deepest gratitude goes to the current marshals, skillfully headed by Sir Lyndon Bailon. Your effort in ensuring the smooth flow of this event were outstanding. And to Sir Kent Casabuena, your expertise with the technical matters and layout was instrumental in bringing this program to life. Thank you. And of course, to all our faculty and staff, your commitment to nurturing our students and fostering the environment of academic excellence is truly commendable. This recognition ceremony is a testament to the success of your tireless work. And of course, to all our students, we want to extend the heartfelt congratulations for every single of you who diligently passes your subject each semester. Even you didn't receive any awards, you know that your hard work, perseverance, and commitment to your studies are recognized and deeply valued. You are the heart of our institution, and your continued success with it truly makes us proud. Keep striving, keep learning, and keep achieving. To the proud parents of our honorees, palakpakan natin ang ating mga magulang. Yan. We recognize your immense contribution, your unwavering love, sacrifice, and belief to your children have been the bedrock of their achievement. This recognition is as much as a testament of your dedication as it is there. Thank you for your profound support. Finally, a huge thank and applause and heartfelt thanks to the CSE officers headed by James Harold S. Lim and to our all student volunteers. Ilang araw po sila na hindi na nakakatulog, okay? Sleepless night spent screening, checking list, and meticulously preparing the certificates for our honorees did not go unnoticed. Your dedication made a significant difference. To our honorees, congratulations once again. May this recognition fuel your passion, even greater achievement to our everyone present. Thank you for being a part of this memorable day. And of course, for the CPRO, thank you for covering this momentous occasion of the BUIPSR. So I will will close this message by leaving a saying, the greatest reward for a man's work is not what he gets for it, but what he becomes by it. Okay, by John Ruskin. So until next time, thank you and good day, and ingat po sa pag-uwi. Congratulations to everyone. Maray na hapon.
Thank you very much, Professor Robert B. Madrazo, for the heartfelt closing. At this point, we may request everyone to rise as we sing with the hymn of the Bicol University. This will be conducted by Professor Janet O. Diaz. Before we proceed rather with the BU hymn, may we request everyone to settle down. So this is just at this an announcement at this point. We will now be awarding as well the outstanding faculty for the second semester of the academic year 2024 to 2025. May we request on the stage our Director and Associate Director, Dr. Karina L. Sales and Dr. Rachel Kate Piguera, to award the certificate to the faculty members. Certificate of Commendation is hereby awarded to the name of the faculty for having an overall rating of 4-point-something and earning an outstanding performance in the faculty evaluation for the second semester, school year 2024-2025, given this day of June at Bicol University College of Engineering Gymnasium, Legazpi City, Albay, during the recognition ceremony with the theme, Life Champions and Future-Ready Professional of the 21st Century, signed by President Baby Boy Benjamin Nebres III. Now, the Certificate of Commendation is awarded to Dr. Karina L. Sales. Sir Hilario Andrew Revilla III. Professor Lyndon L. Bailon. Dr. Arian May S. Arevalo. Professor Wilven M. Mendaza. Professor Mark Glenn L. Tejada. Professor Robert John G. Lood. Professor Renmar M. Dino. May we request all the outstanding faculty to be on stage? So I think we will be having a photo op after this one. Ma'am Rochelle B. Gaurano. Francis A. Mabilin. Charmaine Alarzar. The same certificate is awarded to Micaela Sharina Meschola. John Francis Revilla. Sir Vince Ricacho. Sir Alexis Guime. Sir Winifredo P. Masong Jr. Sir Lucky Philip M. Larce. Sir Derek John R. Paloma. Sir John Lester P. Rosales. Sir John Patrick B. Baclao. Ma'am Ida Blisilda V. Bongalon. Kyle Jamel S. Orfano. And of course, Andre Ashley E. Aranya. Congratulations to all the faculty members as well. The celebration includes all the faculty in force. And likewise, congratulations po. At this juncture, we would like to request everyone to rise as we sing the Bicol University hymn, once again to be conducted by Professor Jeanette O. Diaz.